In this tutorial, we will highlight how a teacher or an administrator can upload students' ebooks directly to the platform. First step is we will go to Library, then we will select Ebooks. As you could see, there are several functions here once you hover your mouse over the ebook. One is to view, the other is to edit, and the other option is to delete. Okay? Now, if I simply click the view icon, you will see that I could see the actual ebook, and then I could download that ebook onto my device. Now, how can a school or teacher upload their ebook for their students? Go to ebook, add an ebook. So you call this one example book group 5. Author is example 5. You will select your class, grade 1. Is it private? No. There's a cover photo. You will select the actual book itself. Well, this is not for the cover photo. Select something else. Something else that's easy. Okay, here we go. Open, choose file, and then we'll select the actual file. Open, and then click add ebook. Now you get a success message, and your ebook seamlessly uploaded in minutes into the platform. All of your students in that class can now have access to their ebooks online.